coming down. We're going down in here. Let's see. I have to take out my mask, I think. People start wearing a mask. I don't know. Do we still have to do the whole thing, Noelda? Because I don't think we're gonna have an energy to go back up later. There it is. So let's see the bridge. Right. Oh, there's a cafe over there, Noelda. There's a cafe. We're hungry. Here is the visitor area. If you want to go up here, tours and stuff. This is just right there. You see the bottom of there. Look at that. This is where you see it's the visitor area. It's right there on the top. Just go up here. Because from here you can really see the water. But we walk like almost 5 miles just from the beginning of the trail. But you can, if you visiting in here, you can actually just drive through it. But we did the trail just to go around how to get here. So it's over there. The escalator is closed. So that's going for the tours. I don't think they're doing the tours because of the pandemic. So there's still part of the bridge. You can see. It's really cool. It's right there. It's there. And there. I don't know where's the water. So you see up in there, you see how they cave in the rocks. Wow, that's really scary. Things fall off. So this is the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam tours. Here it is. This is the business center right there. That you see, that one with the little tower on the top. Really cool. I don't know if they're open. There's a lot of people who's doing the scenic drive. What? Later, pagbalik na, we're gonna go over there just real quick. Over there. Huh? No, just to go over there. Huh? No, over there by the water. You can see the water. Just in between those two things. Then we go back. No, we're just gonna be on this side. Just right there. Look. Let's see, you can see. Ha? Ano nangyari?
Yung araw.
It's my producer over here. Where? Oh, ang ganda na. Dapat dito, oh. Oh, hindi na maganda. May mga sasakyan. Where? Oh, no, that's from the airplane. Everybody just look nice in there except us. We just come out, look like we're coming out from the mountain. Where's the signature of the Hoover Dam. If you guys see, that is Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. See? Right here. You can see. Like it's
Following the wheel of time around the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
Well, let's go over there first. Then we can sit back here. Huh? Sandali. I just want to take a video on her side. This is so we're done. Just gonna go that side.
Oh yeah. That's pretty. You can just One big thing. Imagine the water right there. Yeah.
I have to take out my mask. This is the water. This is Nevada time over here. If we go to that side, that's part of Arizona already. And here's the water. I'm scared to drop my stuff here. So, there's Nevada. This part here is the bridge. It's really cool over here. So that's Nevada area over here. But I don't really want to walk over to the other side. See the water down there.
You can't run.
You see so that's Nevada area. If you cross on that side over there, there's two towers. There's this is Arizona already on the side of that. You see, this used to be the water where the white line was when it's beginning. You see how the water is so low now. Wow. The first time I've seen in here, it was like 20 years ago, 21 years ago. It's almost the same day. It's like really cool. I had a picture in here. The water wasn't really that bad then, but now the water is really low. So now you have stopped the bridge still. The bridge wasn't there when I first seen this area before. So this is it. This is the Hoover Dam. Right there. I'm gonna cross on that side because there's no crossroad on this side here. I have to walk and I don't really want to walk all the way. So that's that. And so that's the water. How is the Hoover Dam, you guys? This is Hoover Dam. You crossed over